Hello students, in today's session I'll try to comprehend all the reactions which you have covered in detail in your notes. Okay, by going through NCERT or by going through the notes, you have learned it several times. Now in this session, only part is in a quick revision. I'll tell about the reactions, that this reaction we have covered in this chapter, and you can also save time by going through the video section where I have mentioned time also, at which time you will find that reaction in that video. Firstly, give priority to the notes. I am still saying why, because in notes you have written so many points, so many examples, and some important points also you mark generally. But consideration is that most of you have revised it so well that here when it is written, you quickly recollect that part or quickly recall that information. If you are unable to do that thing, that means a detailed revision is required, right? So my purpose only is that you become comfortable or you quickly recall those reactions, and if you are not able to recall all of them, then these all are from NCERT part, and some extra reactions which you have done while solving the modules, I'll put it at the end. But priority wise, firstly these are more important because these are from the direct NCERT and directly chances are maximum for that, right? So starting with the first one, that is Woods reaction. I am starting with the hydrocarbon first. Woods reaction. Now Woods reaction key points are there, like we prepare by that way alkanes, symmetrical alkanes. Now you will get that reaction in which video? In alkanes video, and at what time. My concern is that your time should also be saved. So in that video around 3 minutes if you directly go, then this reaction will be there, right, at around 3 minutes. Then Kolbe's electrolysis method. It is in hydrocarbons, in alkanes I have discussed. Although coal-based electrolysis can be used for preparing alkanes, alkenes as well as alkynes. In those chapter also I have used example, but in detail with mechanism it is covered in which video? Alkanes video. In quick revision alkane video, around approximately around 10 minutes. Around 10 minutes if you directly go to that video, around 10 minutes you will get that reaction, coal-based electrolysis. Then next is Birch reduction. This is covered in alkene and alkyne video. Quick revision alkene alkyne video, it is at the beginning. Initial time it is there, Birch reduction. Then Lindlar's catalyst. That's why here I have mentioned named reaction or some important reagents. So Lindlar's catalyst is also in the alkene alkyne video. Around it is exactly in the beginning of the video. Then next is Markovnikov addition, which is Markovnikov's rule. Although in named reaction we cannot put it because it's a particular rule, but because of the importance of this reaction, I am putting it here, Markovnikov addition or Markovnikov rule, where we have talked about that addition of HX or generally addition reactions of alkene alkyne, we use this Markovnikov rule. How we use it? This is covered in which part? Alkene and alkyne video. Around 28 minutes, when you click on directly to the 28 minutes, you will get that reaction which is covering the Markovnikov's rule. Then next is the peroxide effect or Kharash effect. This is again in the alkene alkyne video, around 36 minutes. Next reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Remember it, Friedel-Crafts, there are two reactions, one is alkylation, one is acylation. And it is covered in which part? In aromatic hydrocarbons video, around 7 minutes. At 7th minute in this video you will get this, at 23rd minute, around 23rd minute in the aromatic hydrocarbon video, at 23rd minute approximately you will get this reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as acylation. Then next is Lucas reagent. Again reagent, it is important, that's why I'm mentioning here. It is covered in alkyl halides, where if you remember we distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. I will not give you a detail here. Why? Because it is of no use, because it is already covered in that section in notes as well as in the video. So in alkyl halides video, particularly I am mentioning the video also name, quick revision alkyl halides. At 7th minute, around 7th minute you will get that reaction which is covering Lucas reagent test. Next is Darzan's reaction. The name is not important. Firstly, I am saying the name is not important, but names are given in some books. So I am putting here Darzan's procedure or Darzan's reaction. What is that? Alcohol with SOCl2 in pyridine, SN2 reaction. That is Darzan reaction. It is in which video? Alkyl halide video at 8th minute, around 8th minute. Then next important name reaction, Finkelstein, which is iodine exchange reaction, again in alkyl halide topic, around 13th minute in that video. At 13th minute you will get that reaction. Next is Schwarz reaction, fluorine exchange reaction, very important. It is again in which topic? It is alkyl halide. Rx here, because of the space is less, I am mentioning short form. Rx alkyl halide, where around 14th minute, at 14th minute in this video you will get that reaction, which is Schwarz reaction. Then next is very important, which will be covered later also in amines topic, which is Sandmeyer reaction, where covered initially aryl halides, ARX means in which video? Aryl halides video at around 22nd minute. Initial part it is. Then next reaction, very important name reaction, Gattermann reaction. Again in which topic? Aryl halides, where we prepare aryl halide from chlorobenzene, bromobenzene by starting with the diazonium chloride, right? So it is covered in aryl halides topic at 3rd minute, around 3rd minute. Then Wald-Schiemann reaction, important it is. This is important because some information is given in amines topic also about the salt form, fluoroborates form, which are insoluble. So in video also it is covered in amines. Here also it is covered in which topic? Aryl halides, around 4th minute. Then next is benzene. Although this is not given in NCERT, but in previous year papers one question was given in NEET in benzene, as well as in Abhyas app it is given in the question. Again same question, it is repeated in the mock test also. So I am putting it here, benzene mechanism or benzene reaction. And if you remember Dow's process, I will mention Dow's process here. In Dow's process the intermediate is benzene. So that is why, although it is not given directly in NCERT, but somehow it is related. So better you keep it here, benzene reaction. In same video, aryl halides, around 11th minute you will get that reaction. Very briefly covered there. In notes it is covered in detail, but as per the quick revision, purpose is quick revision, so as per that this is covered in the quick revision of aryl halides at 11th minute. Then next is Wood's fatigue. Wood's fatigue reaction, again in aryl halides at or around 19th minute in that video. Which video? Aryl halides. Fatigue reaction covered in aryl halides around 21st minute. In the 21st minute it is covered of that video. The next reaction is Fischer esterification, very important reaction. In NCERT also it is there, mechanism is also there. In video it is covered in alcohols video. In quick revision of alcohols it is covered Fischer esterification, where we talk about acid, carboxylic acid, alcohol in presence of a catalyst undergoes ester formation, and at which time? At 10th minute in this video this reaction is covered with mechanism. Then next is Lucas reagent, already it is covered, so no need to mention. Alcohol also it is covered, we can remove that part. Then next is Jones reagent or Collins reagent. Jones reagent, if you remember, oxidation of alcohol to acid we take. Collins reagent is oxidation of alcohol to aldehyde, primary alcohol to aldehyde. Jones reagent slightly more, it will go up to acid formation. So combiningly writing these two reagents, because in oxidation of alcohol this is covered, it is around 24th minute in that video, which is alcohols, right? So these are some reactions for which are important from the NCERT point of view, and ultimately they are more relevant for the final examination of NEET. Now next reaction is Dow's process. This reaction is very important and is covered in which chapter? In phenols, in the preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene. That's why I told benzene reaction directly not given in NCERT, but it can be useful because Dow's process is given in NCERT and intermediate formed in Dow's process is benzene. Okay? So you will, if you want to go through your notes, or in the video section quick revision. Which video? Phenols and ethers at third minute. Around third minute, if you directly go, you will get that reaction there, right? Then next is Williamson's ether synthesis. It is here covered as per anisole. In which video phenols and ethers, sorry, Williamson ether is covered in this video, phenols and ether, at 23rd minute in detail for the ether, which is SN2 reactions taking place. So that points are covered there. Then very important reaction is Riemer-Tiemann reaction. It is also covered in which topic? Phenols and ethers. By this way, at least you can revise also in that manner or recollect the points in that manner. That's why it will be little bit saving time also, because I am covering phenols and ether, all the important name reactions or reagents. So Riemer-Tiemann reaction at which time? At 12th minute, around 12th minute in that video it is covered. The next reaction, again important, Kolbe-Schmidt reaction, which is given at 15th minute in which video? Phenols and ethers. Next reaction is Rosenmund reduction. Rosenmund reaction, very important, and which it is in which video? Part 1. Specifically I am mentioning in aldehyde and ketones video or carbonyl compounds. It is in which part? First part. First part at which minute? At 12th minute you will get Rosenmund reduction. Next, Stephens reduction, same part 1 of aldehyde and ketones, and in 14th minute. Itard reaction, same part 1. At 15th minute you will get Itard reaction details. Then next is Gattermann-Koch synthesis. Gattermann-Koch synthesis you will get in that one, which is part 1. Yes, in part 1 it is covered. These are all our part 1 reactions. Itard, Gattermann-Koch. Gattermann-Koch is also in part 1, which is at 16th minute. Then Clemenson reduction. Clemenson reduction in the reactions of the carbonyl compounds. So it is in part 2. So you can also check that one. It is in part 2 of the video section at 28th minute. Then Wolff-Kishner reduction, it is in the part 2 of carbonyl compounds or aldehyde ketones in the video section. It is at 30th minute. Then in next it is aldol condensation, very important reaction in part 2 of the aldehyde ketone short form I am mentioning here. Part 2 at 31st minute it will be there. Aldol condensation will start from around 31st minute in that video. Then cross aldol at 36th minute in that video. Cannizzaro reaction, all are important reaction. You have done all the details in your notes, revise your notes. If you want to do quick revision, you can see the video part also. Time is mentioned to save your time. At 41st minute you will get Cannizzaro reaction. Their example of intramolecular Cannizzaro is also covered. You can go through that part. Perkin condensation or Perkin reaction is important. Why? Because one example or in NCERT question is given, which is direct conversion of benzaldehyde to cinnamic acid. That is why direct conversion, this reaction is used, which is Perkin reaction, although this reaction is not separately mentioned. So when you are preparing, you have time, you can go through that part. You have to prioritize the reactions which you have to do earlier. Which if you are not comfortable with that part, you can do at least NCERT based reactions, and which reactions are frequently asked in your study material also. Some other reactions you can keep later. You can do that part later on. Perkin reaction important at 46th minute. Then very important test, if you remember, iodoform test. So it is covered in which reaction? Haloform reaction. Although it is not particularly, it's a iodoform test, but I am mentioning it here in the section of named reactions or named reagents or some important tests we can also say. Haloform test important at 47th minute. Then tolerance test at 50th minute. Important part is that in NCERT it is given with proper equation with coefficients also. So when you revise it, if you have revised it and learned it, then the moment I am mentioning it, quickly recall it. Pause this video and recall what are the points. Then match with the points which I have mentioned here. Balanced equation I have not written, because if you go through NCERT, you get the balanced equation also with coefficients. So revise that part which is with coefficients. Next test, which is Fehling test, which is important with the key points mentioned. It is at 51st minute. Benedict solution test is also like this. Then next is HVZ reaction, which is Hell-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction. This reaction I have covered in which video? It is carboxylic acid and derivatives. Separate video is there, carboxylic acid and derivatives, at 35th minute. you will get that reaction. Direct reaction, some examples are there. In notes, it is covered with the mechanism also. Hoffman ammonolysis reaction. Now, from that part onwards, it is which video? Amines video. At 5th minute, you will get Hoffman ammonolysis reaction. Then next is Gabriel Thalamide, very important reaction, Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. It is covered in amines video at 10th minute. The next reaction is very important reaction, Hoffman bromamide degradation. In amines video, you will get this at 12th minute in this video. Hoffman exhaustive alkylation. This reaction, if you remember, we prepare quaternary salt, and then if we do elimination, it becomes Hoffman exhaustive methylation followed by elimination. So in this part only up to alkylation, it is at 19th minute in amines video. Carbalamine test or carbalamine reaction, it is at 23rd minute in this video. Hinsberg reagent test or Hinsberg reaction, it is at 26th minute. Few points are covered as per the test part. These points are relevantly covered here. Then next is which includes so many name reactions, that's why I'm mentioning here again, which come already we have discussed Sandmeyer reaction, Getterman. These parts are actually given in NCERT in which topic? Amines in diazonium salt reactions. So one chart I have covered here, it is at 33rd minute in amines video, right? At 33rd minute it is covered. Sandmeyer, Getterman, formation of benzonitrile, all reactions are covered. So it is better to go through that particular chart which is covered in diazonium salt reactions. Then very important reaction, diazo coupling, because dyes are formed, and important examples are of aniline and phenol. This is covered at 38th minute in amines video, and amines video will be in the playlist of class 12th. Then some other reactions I am mentioning, only two reactions I am mentioning here. One is Corehouse synthesis, which is covered in the video part of alkanes in 4th minute, but it is not directly given in NCERT, so important it is, so you can go through that part also. One is reagent, very important reagent, that's why I have not mentioned it yet now. The reason is it is covered in all the chapters starting from the beginning. In alkanes, this is covered. Grignard to alkane, Grignard reagent to alcohol formation, Grignard reagent to phenol formation, Grignard reagent to carbonyl compound formation, Grignard reagent to carboxylic acid formation. So in these chapters, if you have gone through the video, you will get the reaction of Grignard, and they are very important reactions. So I have not mentioned in that part exactly, so that I can tell you about the Grignard reagent from alkane, alcohol video, phenol also, carbonyl compounds. In carbonyl compounds, it is at 18th minute. Multiple reactions are given, and we can prepare carboxylic group also. So by that session, I think it will be useful for you, especially for those students who have covered the reactions already, and by that way they can quickly recall the reaction along with all the points. And if the students who have learned those reactions but right now not able to recall all the reactions which I have covered here, they can go for the notes part, they can go for the video part. Video part, I have saved your time by mentioning the particular time in that video. So it's up to you, but the most important thing is that you remember them, you frequently recall these reactions after every few days, try to recall them, recollect your thoughts, and in exam time, if you take very less time in that process, that saves your time, so that you can attempt more questions with speed and with more accuracy. I hope you are getting that part. So wish you all the luck for the exam. Thank you.